Hello guys, welcome back to the Colorado Alpine page. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video, and I'll let you know. The subscribe button will let you know whenever we have new videos post. But anyway, today we're going to do a how-to video, and we're going to show you guys how to make a portable mobile AC unit for maybe like a tent or your camp trailer if you don't have one built in. I think we saw this video online or on Instagram, and we're gonna just kind of redo it and do our own version of it, and show you guys how to just make like a cool air conditioner unit. All right, some of the stuff you'll need. First, you'll need a cooler, some kind of cooler. This is just like an old cooler that we have. You need a fan. Bought this one from Walmart. It's just a Honeywell fan. Something small, circular. I would suggest something that maybe has a rotating piece where you can just make it so it's circular and will lay flat. Okay, also you'll need a right angle piece of PVC pipe. I believe this is a 4-inch. You'll also need a Sawzall or Dremel to cut through the plastic of the cooler. Screwdriver to get the liquid nails going. Some drill bits. Maybe a little carpenter's knife and a drill. And that'll be pretty much everything you need to get it done. Okay, so step one, we're going to take the right angle PVC, not the coupling side, but the skinnier side, and we're just going to actually trace a little circle here. Placed the circle kind of close to the edge here just because I need some more space for the fan back here. And also this will be the outlet for the air, so don't put it in the middle, put it kind of towards the edge. Time to drill a hole, so just drill a hole in there. This is just so you can get your blade started. This hole might not even be big enough, but easy enough. I'm going to drill another one next to it because I know that blade's not going to fit in there. If you had a paddle bit, it would have been a lot better, a lot cleaner. All right, step something. We're just going to cut this circle out now. Okay, got the hole drilled. Let's see if this thing will fit. It's kind of awkward angle. Sweet, just like that. And we'll caulk all these little gaps up, and it'll, with the liquid nail, and it'll help keep it in there tight too. Slide this thing down like that. Okay, the next step, we're not keeping count anymore since I lost the number. But the next step is we're gonna trace the fan out and cut a hole for this as well. Okay, now hopefully the circle's big enough. This fan should just kind of sit right in there. Perfect. Okay, and then of course you seal that up as well. There's your fan. Okay, so the last step here is we're just gonna liquid nail this. Gonna create a seal, then also adhere so that the stuff is kind of stuck on there forever. Okay, we're gonna give it a little test run real quick. So we just got two old juice bottles frozen with water in there. This liquid nail hasn't dried yet, so I gotta be a little careful. Those guys in there. It's the MOT, the moment of truth. No, well, you gotta turn it on. Oh yeah. And if you put some more ice blocks in there, for sure. Okay, well our plan, guys. Our plan is to put this underneath the table in our camper trailer, and hopefully it'll blow cold air out. Especially like this weekend, we're going pronghorn hunting, and it's out in the eastern plains of Colorado. It's going to be pretty warm, so yeah, sweet. So the way this essentially works is that you're pulling air through here, okay, and so as this fan draws air, this is kind of your container, I guess, and the ice blocks inside cool the air, and so as the air comes by, it goes across the ice blocks, which cools it, and then it's forced out through this main pipe here. And it actually works pretty well. So. Before we close this video out, we wanted to just tell you guys, we spent about 15 bucks on the fan. This one part, of course, it's it's thick PVC, so it's $10 for this little piece, and then we had the cooler, but I'm sure you could find a cooler like this at the thrift store or a garage sale for a couple bucks. So I'm guessing total you could probably do this AC unit for under like 30-35 bucks. So portable AC unit, we could, if you have a generator, you could hook this into the generator and run it at elk camp if you had an outfitter's tent, or deer camp, pronghorn camp, whatever. Trailers, you could run it if you have a camp trailer and you want an extra AC unit, you could run it in there. You could hook this up to a power converter into your car and run it at a little campsite or picnic or whatever. So it probably weighs a couple of pounds, and that's with the ice in there. So maybe 10 pounds with the ice in there, a couple pounds without it. So really sweet addition to camping in the summertime.
Test it out this weekend.
Yeah, we'll test it out this weekend when we go pronghorn scouting. You'll probably see that, another video on scouting, so you'll probably get an update on this guy, but we'll give you another update and let you know how it works out. Thanks for watching.